found that up there when they sold and closed that ranch. They went out and bought the grader. You know, all of our railroad beds were laid by horses and mules with graders, much like the one that Suzanne brings us today.
I know one thing with that grader, you did not want to be standing on that and hit a big rock, because you could do a somersault in front of the horses.
I went out and was looking at these individually a little bit ago, and they're all iron wheels, and that grader has skids back there, so you feel every bone.
Okay.
Yeah, that does look to have the potential to be a catapult.
I appreciate you bringing someone to raise and lower that so that we can see how that works. You know, Paul, our major manufacturers of modern farm equipment, such as John Deere, International Forestry, and you know, they still manufacture horse-drawn equipment, and they thought that they would have a big market with third world countries. Far and away, the biggest buyer is the United States. A lot of people have decided to go back to the land. They get a few acres, they enjoy their big horses, and they do their own farming. So I think everybody in the equipment manufacturing field was amazed at how much of this is sold in the United States today.
In Ohio, there's a manufacturer that's relatively new to the market, Pioneer Manufacturing. Just about everybody that has a team like a Pioneer 4-car. And we installed those, and we also discovered that there are enough agriculture still being done in this country, not only by the Amish, but some small farmers, particularly vegetables and so forth, and they have every form of plow, disc, harrow, cultivators, mulchers, hay equipment made for horses. It's very honest, very good.
I like the way Mr. Newborn has the end of those lines up over his shoulder. That's extremely authentic. That's the way it was done. Those lines can get long, and you don't want them to get tangled in your equipment for the wheels. So often you will see artwork with the old teamsters working in the fields, and those lines right up and over his shoulder.
If anyone is ever interested in seeing a lot of that modern equipment that is made for horses, in the Midwest every year, and I think it sort of rotates between Ohio, Indiana, and Illinois. And the event is called Farm Power Day, or Horse Power Day, whatever it is. Get online and Google that. It began many years ago. We had 200 people in a couple of teams, and now there's 20 to 30,000 people that have equipment from all over and horses from all over demonstrating every form of farm machinery that's horse-drawn and magic. It's pretty awesome event.
I think those events are fabulous. But we don't have to go all the way to the Midwest here in California. We just go down to Tulare, California, where they also have the largest modern ag equipment show in the world. It's over 1.5 million square acres of modern equipment. And in addition to that, they have horse-drawn days, and they too have a lot of the equipment that is horse-drawn.
Come in and line up, beginning with this line team right here.
Mr. Horace is going to lead us in.
Horse with disc plow. A lot of soft in this country with that.
And then folks, you'll see that some of our teamsters have ribbons up on their names or somewhere on their horses for themselves, and they are yellow, red, and white. And they're to honor our teamsters that we lost, George Sproul, whose colors were red and white, and Gene Hilty, who always rode with the red and yellow. So it's their tribute to those two fine gentlemen.
See this manure spreader going into the center of the arena. There's going to be a lot of need for that next year, being the election year and all.
I could use it now. I'm not looking forward to November.